Go.
Taking it back and forth.
That was like
Well, because you guys both have the common goal.
Right. Here goes the chainsaw man.
That's not. Vroom, vroom, vroom is more of a car.
They're actually playing it?
What? Ooh, damn.
Your lucky day.
No way! I just like we
Yeah, you
watch the
actually
ending
see
every
its
time
face.
we record.
It's like a whole bunch of mounts.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, let's go get it.
Damn, he's just gonna whip that chainsaw.
Hey.
Oh shit!
I knew you were alive, chainsaw. Okay. Yeah, this thing got a whole bunch
This
of...
is wild,
Yeah, don't just get messed up.
Oh,
I can't believe they're actually playing the song.
man, but
Did he just bite it?
there's like so many of those things.
Right.
They just like robbed into one.
Then he's trying to find his heart as well.
screams of that thing.
Yo, it's straight chaos.
I mean, there's music right now.
Right.
What are they gonna do then?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
This is Return.
It's also really interesting that they're talking to like.
I was just assuming those mafia guys were a piece of shit and they just shot little coach. Maybe they were.
Wow.
Are they gonna help him? Oh
Oh
my
my gosh.
Damn, come on, Denji, come on.
Well, I don't even know.
Need more blood.
Power's the blood double. Should I throw you a line?
I love the teeth.
Oh! So they can eat the devil.
He's cannibalizing this other devil.
Very
It
interesting.
tastes like shit.
That was a really nice use of CJ. That was sick.
Makes it taste like strawberry jam. Yo, she does not like
Makes
that.
it taste like sweet strawberry.
This is the first time she's seen Denji.
Oh,
That voice
Denji.
acting.
Right. Who's this guy?
It's a backstory.
Wow.
Who's he to you? We've seen him in the intro before.
Yo, whose voice is that?
Wow.
Was this your mentor?
It sounds familiar.
Is that Overall's voice actor?
Wow.
I know this voice actor from somewhere.
Great.
Really? I'm sure she has tons.
I mean, she has a lot of trouble though. Yeah.
That's a scary point.
I like that. Even devils is meaning implying humans.
That's her master.
Master, so.
I'm assuming that.
Was he the one that brought Aki last episode when we saw the backstory with them? He brought
Like,
Aki
if
to
you don't
her
have screws loose yet, you're going
as her
to.
new partner?
I'm not
He got
sure.
like freaking cut
I don't
from like
remember
here to
seeing
here.
Yeah.
Every day, like, wow.
I think it was him.
We're gonna call it
No, the bullets.
Mm.
So make sure.
Yep, with Denji's help.
Interesting.
I feel like something bad might happen to her in this episode. I don't know. I was thinking maybe Aki
yeah.
because she's lost so many, but Why do I feel like something bad's gonna happen to her in this episode?
Oh, yes.
Like, I don't think Aki,
trying
I
to
think
talk him,
her now.
like,
Yeah,
get
like
out of this job?
chasing the gun one.
She really likes Aki.
Get him off that.
No.
She's trying to get him out of the chasing the gun devil
He has a
job.
reason.
Yeah. She's trying to protect his life.
That's a your Amatofu.
Yeah, how about that?
He's this guy.
I'd actually find it.
Gun Devil's like freaking crazy.
I wonder if like seeing Denji though will make her think like, oh, maybe we do have a chance.
Yeah.
Alright, Denji's getting through. Yo, look at Denji's neck.
He's getting.
You saw that?
Yeah, it's
feeling-
like twisted.
Messed up.
I have a feeling he's unlikely to win this
Hey,
one.
what's that? Oh no, that's her. That's her.
Oh, she pulled the cord.
Like, let them back up.
She helped him.
She pulled the cord to like wake him up.
No, she pulled the chainsaw. She basically got the back up.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's good to know that he's also a vampire. No,
Yo, like, Denji is kind of ridiculous. The more blood he gets, the crazier he
this is a
goes.
perpetual
Like, it's
motion
like
machine.
he's
He can generate
empty
energy
Okay, yeah.
on his own.
Probably what Makima saw in
She
him
was
as
like
well.
getting it on, like, yeah, he can do it.
Like,
He's their only
kill this
hope.
freaking
Honestly,
devil and be like, I want my
Is
kiss.
it possible
Did they
for
finally
him to
find
just
the
keep
heart?
ripping through?
I just realized that this episode's titled "The Taste of a Kiss."
Damn, it took that long. Did she pass out? Did she like fall
It's
asleep?
just like she fell asleep.
Concept of time.
Was she watching him that long that she fell asleep watching him fight?
He took them out, right? Because I feel like they'd still be watching if they
And
were
he just
fighting.
kept ripping them apart until
They've just been in here for ages.
Is he still fighting the gun devil while they're all just chilling?
Yeah.
No
well,
way.
not chilling, but like,
Like a week.
how long
is
has
he?
it
Are they
been?
still fighting?
3 days. 3 days?
Oh, 3 days?
Yeah,
So
but
she was
like
just
Is
someone
Denji
else
still
was
fighting?
bitch.
Well, I don't
I
know
mean,
where's
there's
Denji.
some
Like, is he
noise.
still fucking fighting and they're just like all here sleeping and shit?
Oh, they cuddled. No way. What's he doing?
They're still fucking fighting.
It's not giving up.
Okay, so he just now got to the heart 3 days later.
He said, I apologize.
Damn.
Already? It's been 3 days.
Denji is
Dog,
like,
Denji's
what? 3
insane.
days.
He finally found the heart.
Yep.
There it is.
Holy
The thing was like, here's my heart. Like,
Yeah, because it was tired.
they gave up. Yeah.
Right. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Denji did it.
Got it.
There we go.
How are you okay after that, Denji? Like, you're not fucked up in the head?
He said, I'm feeling good. Like I just took a huge shit. Did you see? Did you read that? That's hilarious.
Where's his kiss?
Hey, you owe him a
Yeah, not
kiss
surprised.
with tongue.
Yeah.
That pisses me off.
Damn, Denji's that dude, man. Denji is that guy.
They're like, we never want to go back.
And they were trying to kill him.
They're like,
The only hope y'all probably had.
even after all this, he has a good sense of humor.
I was about
Right.
to make a joke.
4日全員集まったことないしさ
Mm.
親睦を深めつつ今抱えている問題をなくしましょう
A party?
それがさ小紅ちゃんと荒井君がこう
I was gonna say, after that,
怖くなったら
Oh, I thought this was another flashback.
デンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだ
Now they feel guilty.
Exactly.
ねえそんなにやめちゃうんだわ今のずうしく行きましょうよね
Oh my god.
飲みの場だからさ
Yeah,
っさとデンジ君に謝れるし小紅ちゃんたちを引き止められる
I don't think he meant
we're gonna have a party. Sounds fun.
Oh, a little tiny piece.
なんで
I don't like this.
Oh. We're gonna have like a love square.
Seems to like him, but then he likes
Himeno feels
Maki.
like
Yeah.
I figured that this is a different mission.
Oh, yes.
I didn't know any more things are gonna happen at this
Wait, what did he say there?
Handle business.
So much.
I guess it comes to the territory. I mean, if he's the only one capable of doing anything, he should, but
Go on, Aki. Come on.
they tried to kill him.
Right.
They
You about the
are
chainsaw.
not. They should not be
一番謎なのがあの浮気はさデンジ君に気にかけてるの
Yes.
She probably knows
You're asking,
like
you're asking good
more about the
questions.
chainsaw devil
最
probably.
近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ
Yeah.
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのか
Mm.
He doesn't have a secret.
That is an interesting thought. Like,
This kid
how
doesn't
much
have a
噂先聞いてみよう
does she know?
I'm gonna get her hammered and ask her.
Yep, that's the
Right.
plan.
That
I was
is the
also gonna say,
plan.
I wonder if here, honestly, the animation was
Power's
like,
looking at.
Where's Makima? Oh, she's probably not even there.
Well, she said she was gonna be out of town, right?
But they said that's what they said they had to do it this week because she was leaving out of town next week.
Oh,
What are you looking at?
Kind of looks like Jean, doesn't he?
Then she just want blood.
Shall all be
this.
mine.
They're just
She acted like a chihuahua, like it's defensive of their food.
Oh, Kobeni. Okay. Oh, we could call like Kobe.
Yeah, Kobe too.
Kobe, yeah, for sure. That's it. Yeah, I like that. I actually saw a picture on Twitter. People had like her and her face, and they had Kobe Bryant like ducking the ball.
Are you serious? Oh, like dunking on her?
Yeah.
Everything's on
Like, she was like they had her face.
Oh,
Because
and
her
then
name is
Kobe's
Kobe.
body.
Right, right. I saw a picture like so that makes sense.
yours is like.
若いんだからもっと頼め食え
Kiss tempura.
So about that kiss,
Here?
he remembered the kiss. Oh my gosh.
もっと酔ったらしてあげる
No, she needs a few drinks.
Man, she's not gonna kiss him.
かましてやるからさ
She said with tongue, right? Did she say she was gonna kiss him with tongue?
We'll see.
I was gonna say, I'm like,
All
did
is
they off
forgiven if you
screen
give me
it,
the
or
kiss.
no? They still have to get do the
Yes.
kissing.
名前と年齢と契約してる
These guys are on the devil.
手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ相変わらず硬いやつだな
大丈夫大丈夫です
He's in his happy place.
私は趣味聞きたいな
Definitely you're contracted with.
They all have contracts with them.
He's only 16.
16? What?
I didn't know he was that young.
Actually, no.
Yeah, he's pretty young.
Damn.
I thought he would have been at least like 18 or 19.
They didn't even know how old he was.
Why are you staring at him when he just said he was 16?
Like every
But you know what's
trip.
interesting? Like in certain countries, that's like a legal age. You know what I'm
But
saying?
not in
Compared
Japan. I think Japan actually
I don't know
recently
what the legal
went
age
from
is.
18 to 20.
This
went
Japanese.
What's your
I
devil?
think actually this year.
What in
What? She's a double contract? Interesting.
Tastiest thing ever.
She has 8 sisters?
Yeah, we
I was
don't
like,
know
I
that.
feel like she has a secret. Okay.
Oh, dang.
damn, they got killed yesterday and
sorry.
business as usual.
Like, she's out of it.
Why is she freaking out now?
Yo, Kobeni's gonna be shit. Kobeni's going through it.
Welcome to this world.
I should just call it Kobe. Kobe's
Kobe's
going
gonna
through it,
freak out
man.
again.
Yeah.
But then again, that's what Aki said. Aki said that a lot of people died during
Gosh.
this.
Dude, I feel like they're gonna do more than kiss at this point.
She gets really friendly when she's drunk.
みんなに目を切り裂かれて
Really?
So you're not special.
No
Kiss
escaping her.
everyone. Oh shit, that's who
She's that
she
type
is.
of drunk.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Uh-oh.
my gosh.
Kiss everyone.
Why
but
is his
the
lips like
rookies.
that?
Denji's such a simp.
Oh, Makima!
Oh, there she
Oh,
goes.
so
Really
Makima's
simple.
here. He might not. He might not.
Of course, by Aki. They're all like intimidated. Oh, really?
Risk someone else.
She gonna get drunk?
Yeah, about that.
Oh no! You might get 2 kisses.
I bet Makima doesn't even get drunk.
He's sweating.
Ooh,
He's sweating.
struggle.
Yeah, so it was with the tongue.
Right.
Give it a shot.
まあまでこんな早いペースで2回持つ策も現れませんでした。この間のデンジを狙ったわけもいい。最近少し悪魔の動きが始まりマキマさんとデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか。
Good
She's
question.
not gonna give the information that easily.
She took a
I
drink.
feel like.
That's suspicious.
Maybe she's like, now I will. No.
Can't you finish that whole thing?
I'll tell you.
I feel like nobody's gonna be able
I'm
to.
like, wow, you just got that
He
beer.
said 2 more beers, please. All right.
She's always down to clown, it seems.
It's gonna be a fun party now. Everybody gonna have alcohol.
Fried chicken.
Power's just in it for the food. Oh my
Fucking
god.
Bill?
They can't
Oh,
outdrink
did
her.
Makima's fine? Look, she's just
She
there.
got there late.
Dude. Can she?
Wow.
What's hers like the liquor devil?
Power could hold her chicken.
She's just too smart.
100.
Yeah, she said 100.
Is that really? Didn't you say that too?
Right,
No,
but-
that's why I said that.
Right,
It's more than yours.
It's being 200 IQ.
I've never actually taken an IQ test.
Yeah, me neither. She just keeps going up and up.
500, girl.
Lucky must
Girl.
It just keeps changing.
She could go all
Oh
day.
my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that was so sudden.
What is this drink?
Oh my god.
Yo, what is going on?
Whoa.
Yo, chainsaw man. Okay. Oh
Don't say
my
melting your mouth.
gosh.
What is it?
Dude, that is so bad.
That was the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
I want to.
Oh my god. Yo, that just
that was
made
so
me
disgusting.
scream.
That makes me want to barf.
Oh my god.
What's the?
Damn.
I'm horrified.
So I guess he doesn't find that really gross because.
Hey, well, look how he was eating.
Yeah.
Is he about to eat this puke?
But listen.
And here you are now. I'm still like nauseous.
No, you don't want to do
Oh my gosh, I need to like. I need some peppermint or something.
I can see that happening though.
What?
Imagine if you're extremely
Crying
drunk
from puking or
and you start
because of
making out with
how
someone.
humiliating that
Like,
was?
there's a possibility that you will throw up.
Of course. That's the 100% possibility.
It's not like the throwing up, it's the eating of.
Don't think about it. Casey always said. Oh my god.
I just feel really bad for her.
Like, anytime we're
Damn.
watching like YouTube and someone throws up, I'm like, I can't.
I want to puke.
We can't eat and watch Danny Duncan
That was
videos.
so
Always somebody
Why?
throwing up.
Why do we have to get nasty like that?
皆さん、マキマさんのおりだから感謝しましょうね。
Shut.
I agree.
Like someone else paid for. Yeah, everything free always tastes better, doesn't it? Everything free. Oh, he's going away.
She's like taking him?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
oh wait, or was it opposite? I couldn't tell. Like, wasn't she the one who threw up?
What's gonna happen now?
I don't like where this is going.
Is she like kidnapping? What the fuck is she doing?
Ew.
What's gonna happen? Is he gonna be tied up or something?
Oh, he's kind of.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Oh.
no.
Round two?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Round
And she's
two?
still drinking?
Take it
Oh,
back.
she's about to throw up
Why
again.
did you take it back?
Oh!
Was was that
don't
the
like
was that
where
the
this
beer or was that
What is
throw up?
going
I'm speechless.
on?
I mean,
You brought him here.
You brought him there. Yes.
you did.
Okay.
How the fuck did they just look you?
Just go to sleep.
He was like, F my life.
Yeah.
How much did y'all drink?
This
It's
is
getting dicey, man.
マキさんのことあるでしょ
Did they drink?
Okay, yeah, there's a bit of.
Oh, Aki has a thing for her too, of course.
Why
Just go to sleep.
She's so drunk.
she jealous?
Why?
Were you trying to make him jealous?
She's like spitting alcohol in his mouth, right?
Wow.
Yo.
It's about-
Yo, Denji, man. This guy.
Is she?
Did she whisper something to him? Oh.